How to fix Minecraft error exit code 0 on Windows. 1. Close conflicting programs, run Minecraft in Windows Clean Boot. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Make sure your Java for Windows is up to date. 4. Remove all the mods. 5. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, Minecraft completely, then install the app later. 6. Check if your system is corrupted. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health.